To rename your Google Drawing, press the Untitled Drawing box, press backspace, and name your drawing. This is the workspace of your Google Drawing. You can make a text box in which you can write things in it. In the text box, you can make it a certain color. You can make the border a certain color. You can make the border dashed. You can also make the border thicker. You can delete something by clicking on it and pressing backspace. You can also insert shapes into your drawing. There are many different shapes to choose from. For example, here is a circle. You can also change the circle's color or the border color, or you can even make it transparent. You can also insert different lines. You can insert an arrow. And there are many other options as well. You can also do a scribble, which lets you freehand draw. You can also insert images. Choose the Insert Image drop-down menu. You can upload from the computer, or you can search the web. There are also other options to find images. When you choose an image, click on it and insert it into your drawing. Now you have an image that you can resize and move around. You can also crop it if you like.